So today's video is going to be a room tour video. If you are a regular viewer on this channel, then looking at all my videos, you kind of get an idea about how my room looks like, which basically ये शुरू होते ही खत्म हो जाता है. There is not much to see actually. So, but still I wanted to give you a full-fledged room tour. So let's get started. Whoa, not like this. So as soon as you enter my room, the first thing that you will notice is my huge bed. Now this is somewhere where I eat, sleep, do everything, even work, study. This table is literally of no use other than holding all my stuff. So right beside my bed there is this wall. The first thing that you will notice is this grit frame. This was gifted by one of my friends on my last birthday, and this is a very sturdy frame. Even these clips, these tiny clips came with this grit frame. I did not know that they will provide clips, but then again I went ahead and got more clips. So basically here are the pictures of my friends, my family, just my close friends, and 2 or 3 pictures from Pinterest. Then I decorated it with a yellow fairy light. I'll just turn the light on. It looks like this. It looks very beautiful. Now if I turn off the room's light, the room has a different vibe altogether when I light this up. This looks very aesthetic. Honestly, this is the only aesthetic thing that you will find in my room. Now right above this you will find 3 boxes turned into shelves. Honestly मुझे पता नहीं इसके ऊपर वो म्यूजिक प्लेयर अभी भी क्या कर रहा है. I think that's damaged, but उसको हमने फेंका नहीं है अभी तक. And beside that you can see a huge box. I kept all my plastic bags and every necessary plastic thing over there. Just middle class thing, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly show you what I have in these 3 shelves. Now first of all, excuse these stickers. ये मैं बचपन में देखा करती थी, उतना भी नहीं, but I used to watch them. These things I got with, you know, Tangles, Cheetos. ये बहुत मिलता था तभी. I don't know अभी मिलता है कि नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं है. Okay, so here's the tala of my room. So the first thing that you will find over here are my dresses. Now honestly my almirah is full of clothes and I have no other space to keep my dresses, so I just kept them right here. So there's not much to see. Over here I have all my files and trophies. ट्रॉफीज पता नहीं, बट वही मतलब स्कूल कॉलेज का वो लास्ट डे का जो मिलता है ना ग्रेजुएशन फेयरवेल के समय वो. एंड हियर आई हैव ऑल्सो मिसलेनियस स्टफ राइट ओवर हियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दिस स्पेस वेयर आई कीप माई रिंग लाइट, एंड हियर इज अ window. This is the only window in my room. My room is very tiny and there is my AC, some huge boxes over there. Now in those boxes I have all the Nykaa के parcel के boxes, Mamaearth के boxes, जितने भी मैंने order दिया है उसका सब कुछ है वहाँ. और यहाँ 2 छोटे छोटे शोपीस है. Just ignore this happy birthday thing with 2 Dora stickers. और ये बंदर का क्या नाम था, आई गेस बू और समथिंग, आई फॉरगॉट. सो जस्ट इग्नोर दैट थिंग बिकॉज आई डिड दैट व्हेन आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल. आई गॉट माई रूम व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 2 or 3 आई गेस. Now the next thing that comes is this wardrobe. It has a lot of stuff in here. The most I can do is just give you a glance because it's really unorganized currently. Yeah, you see there's stuff filled with stuff, and in this locker I have my makeup. Very unorganized again. Now let's move on to my table. So the first thing that you will notice is this board. It is a black and white board together. I'm so sorry for the light constantly fluctuating. Okay, I got this when I was very tiny. I guess I was in again class 1 or 2, something like that. And here is my AC remote. Now let's move on to my table. Basically you will find water, heat. Now this is something that I just need every time I live alone. I obviously kind of live alone in my room only, so I need this because I'm shit scared of cockroaches, lizards, and many more. बहुत कॉकरोच का प्रॉब्लम है हमारे घर पे, so this really is my best friend. अगर मैंने तो मम्मी को भी बोल के रखा है, अगर मुझे कभी बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, अगर like if I get a job or something like that, the first thing that I will pack is a huge hit in my bag because I'm shit scared of cockroaches. Now this is a calendar. If you can see, it's a cute calendar and this is made by me. I made this calendar out of again those Nika boxes. And these clips ये दोनों टूट गए हैं, but I got these clips again with that grit frame, but these clips are not really sturdy. And I have all the important dates marked over here, like for example, let me just show you. For example, 29th, I have circled 29th with blue sketch pen for the month of July. So I'll find July over here, which is where it is. Yeah, it's July, and here I have given a dot with the same blue sketch pen, and I'll see what is the occasion on that day. So this is how I made this cute calendar, lavender and yellow themed. Yeah. Then I have my pen stand. Now this is something again which I made. This is made out of my old jeans जो तभी फट चुका था, so I just saw a random DIY on YouTube and I was like try करते हैं. I did this and it successfully came out like this. Then I have some games over here. So basically I play with my brother. और यहाँ सब कुछ copies है, कुछ books है, sketch pens है, बहुत कुछ है. Okay, so right beside my table there is this chair and I have my laptop right over here and nothing else. So if I need to sit on my chair, I'll just keep my laptop on my bed, and when I need to sleep, I'll just keep my laptop on the chair, you know, kind of working. Now moving on to the most favorite corner of my room, that is this corner, which is filled with skincare, hair care, body care products. First you will find my face wash, my moisturizer, sunscreen. This is a sample. Basically I got this when I ordered the sunscreen for the second time. This is my second purchase from Aqualogica, this Radiance Plus Dewy sunscreen. It's really good. A perfume, mask and all of that. And also I have my क्या बोलते हैं इसको, razor. हाँ. What a way of demonstrating, man. So I have my razor right over here. And if you go a little above, then you will see my AC's connection right over there. And above that I made this frame. Let me show you. I made this frame many years ago. Again, I used to be so creative at one point of my life. So what I did some quilling art, and here I have written something. I don't know if the camera is not focusing. I'll just read it out for you. Never give up. I write never 5 times. Okay, never give up, and then just 2 smileys. I have this tiara. ये सब हम बचपन में पहना करते थे, और वो रेट्रिका ना, वो बहुत ऐप थे ना रेट्रिका, देन समथिंग ब्लू, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, जहाँ बहुत सेक्सी फिल्टर्स मिलते थे. सो वी यूज्ड हम वो करते थे, इसको पहन के वहाँ पिक्चर खींचते थे और उसको हम फेसबुक पे डीपी लगा के रखते थे फॉर लाइक many days, and we used to wait कब 100 likes होगा, कब 200 likes होगा. Oh my god. Now it's time for the last corner of my room, and I just switched on my ring light क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत lighting का issue होगा, बहुत fluctuation होगा. So this is the last wall which is left. I tried doing something really beautiful, really stunning over here. If you can just see, then I have many lines drawn with pencils. Even numbers are written beside those lines. Basically those are the measurements of those lines, and I tried printing these pictures in those sizes, and I thought that I'll just stick them on the respective boxes, but that just did not end up happening, though I tried to do a lot. मैंने Microsoft Word में वो scale open करके inches by inches I did everything, but नहीं हुआ. I guess there's something calculation error, but जो भी है, it still looks put together. But I want to change this, so but I have few explanations to give about this wall. So the first thing is this picture. Now this picture is basically representing procrastination, which is me, like my spirit thing to do, I guess. And then this thing is known as overthinking, but eventually it's a positive way of overthinking. When you overthink, you are blooming, which means if you overthink good ideas, you will just bloom and not just destroy yourself. And basically, all these pictures denotes what I feel like to do, what I am, who I am as a person. This is the only thing which is self-made. This is a poem known as Agony. I wrote this poem. I really like writing poems in general. Basically, I like writing stuff, so I just wrote this. I have many other poems in my phone though, but you know, I just can't show them. I'm too shy for that. One more thing that I have right beside my bed is this guitar stand. Though my guitar is really damaged right now, so what I do is just I keep my phone while it's being charged right over here. But if you want to see my guitar, then it's just kept in the corner because my guitar is really damaged. I need to fix it. And there is a Christmas tree wrapped in the newspaper, tripod box and my ring light box, and here is a jharu for the bed, and this is a sock. So I once saw a lizard right over here, so I just got a fear that it might enter into that box, so I just iska muh band kar diya, kuch nahi. Okay, I was just shooting the outro, and one thing I forgot to show you, that is this fan. This is a Doraemon themed fan. This fan again is from my childhood. Basically, I forced my father to get me this fan, but this is not a really good fan though. I mean, ये बहुत आवाज करता है यार. So that's it for the video, guys. This was my tiny room tour. Very tiny, very cozy. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked today's video, then like, comment, share, and do subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications, and I will see you very soon. Bye.